Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an honest review of BetterHelp in 2025. If you have been wondering, does it actually work? Is it worth the money? Then stick around because I will cover the pros, cons, pricing, and everything you need to know before signing up. And do not worry, this isn't sponsored. It is a real breakdown. What is BetterHelp? BetterHelp is one of the biggest online therapy platforms, offering counseling through text, live chat, phone, and video sessions. The idea is to make therapy more accessible, flexible, and affordable compared to traditional in person therapy. You can connect with licensed therapists who specialize in anxiety, depression, relationships, stress management, and more. How it works: you sign up and fill out a short questionnaire about your mental health, preferences, and what kind of support you are looking for. BetterHelp then matches you with a licensed therapist. You can start messaging them right away and schedule weekly live sessions through video, phone, or chat. The platform works both on desktop and their mobile app, so you can literally take therapy anywhere. Pros. Let's start with the pros. Convenience. You do not need to travel anywhere. It fits perfectly for people with busy schedules. Choice and flexibility. You can switch therapists easily if the first one isn't a good fit. Multiple communication styles. Whether you prefer texting, video, or voice, you can choose what feels comfortable. Access to specialists. They have therapists for different issues like trauma, LGBTQ, support, couples, counseling, and more. Global availability. As long as you have internet, you can use BetterHelp from almost anywhere. Cons. But it is not perfect. Here are the cons you should know. Cost. BetterHelp isn't always cheaper than in person therapy. Prices range from about $65 to $90 per week depending on your plan and location. They do have financial aid, but it can still be pricey. Not for severe cases. If you are dealing with severe mental health conditions, crisis situations, or need medication management, BetterHelp may not be the best option. Matching can vary. Some people get a great match right away. Others need to try a few therapists before finding the right fit. No insurance coverage. Most insurance plans do not cover BetterHelp, so it is out of pocket. My honest take. So, does it really work? The answer is yes. For many people, if you're looking for flexible, professional, and convenient therapy, BetterHelp delivers. Many users report feeling supported, less isolated, and more consistent with therapy since it's easier to stick to. But if you need in person assessments, medication prescriptions, or intensive care, it is not the right platform, and you may not find all the therapists provide these properties. Think of it as a strong option for mild to moderate mental health support, stress, and life challenges. Who should try it? You should try BetterHelp if you want therapy without leaving home, if you value flexibility and prefer chatting with your therapist on your terms, and if you are okay paying out of pocket for the convenience. But you might skip it if you need psychiatric treatment, have severe conditions, or want insurance to cover therapy sessions. So that is my honest review of BetterHelp in 2025. It works well for many people, but like any tool, it depends on your needs and expectations. If you have tried BetterHelp, let me know down below in the comment about your experience, and I'd love to hear from you. And if you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new honest review.